Architectural design of Bijli Mahadev Temple. Kasol in Dharamkot. How? Bijli Mahadev Temple structure reflects traditional Kullu Valley architecture. The pent-roof structure, topped with slate shingles, is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including heavy rainfall and snow. This architectural style, specific to Himachali temples, features a covered veranda serving as a production path around the shrine, allowing devotees to perform a ritual. Bunda Mahayagya, a secret circumambulation of the lingam, constructed with layers of wood and stone. The walls showcase a tradition of Himachal Pradesh, distinctive technique in which wooden beams are laid perpendicular to the wall, with stone filling the intervening spaces, creating natural insulation and durability against the elements. Shiva Project, strengthening Himachal Pradesh's economy. The growing need for amenities and environmental conservation. With the construction of a ropeway to Bijli Mahadev underway, the number of visitors is set to increase. This anticipated influx brings attention to the need for improved infrastructure and amenities, especially waste management facilities, as the region currently lacks sufficient provision for solid, wet, plastic, or hazardous waste disposal. To maintain the temple's sanctity and preserve the natural beauty of the area, it is vital that the company managing the roadway and local authorities implement eco-friendly waste disposal measures. Social organizations have been proactive in cleaning the temple surroundings, but further sustainable practices are essential for the area's preservation. Preserving livelihoods, age-old traditions, a sacred site of spiritual and cultural significance. For the people of Kullu, Bijli Mahadev Temple holds a revered place among Lord Shiva's 72. Bunda Mahayagya, a sacred tradition of Jyotirlingas. Thousands of pilgrims flock to the temple each year, seeking blessings and solace in its Himachal Pradesh, sacred ambience, the temple's awe-inspiring location, traditional architecture, and rich mythology make it a sought-after spiritual retreat in the Kullu Valley. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the breathtaking beauty of the Himalayan landscape, experience the unique cultural heritage of embracing the future, introducing Himachal Pradesh, and witness firsthand the fascinating phenomenon that defines Bijli Mahadev. Visiting the Bijli Mahadev Temple is more than just a journey through mountains. It's an opportunity to explore India's ancient spiritual roots while admiring the enduring beauty of the Himalayas. For those drawn to mysteries and miracles, Bijli Mahadev stands as a testament to faith, resilience, and harmony between humanity and the forces of nature.